Hey guys, this is gonna be an unboxing video of probably I don't know, I just got a package in. It's from Woodland Scenics. I know that much. It's some, I don't know what it is. So let's just open it up and see. It's taped in good. It's not a model, it's just supplies. Diorama supplies, you could call it. I just bought it on a bid a few weeks ago. So let's just see what this is. Here we are. There. Okay. Two Woodland Scenics box, not box, but cement culverts. Two of them. Just you know, what they got here. See what shape they're in. Here we are. Oh. Figured that. Hold on, let me see. By the box. Yep, that's it. It's just simple assembly. And it just simply just goes, you know, like the picture on the box. Just simple cement culverts. I'm probably gonna paint those up in like a weathered kind of look to them. And here's the other piece. So yeah, that's it guys. That's my two culverts from Woodland Scenics. Let's give you guys another good look at that. There they are there. Got them for $2 on eBay, which is a good deal. So yeah, guys, here's the two culverts from Woodland Scenics. They're just involve some assembly. That's no big deal. So yeah, there'll probably be some more unboxings coming up in the future. Okay, guys, see ya.